afternoon everyone, and welcome to the Voices Foundation's virtual singing assembly. My name is Charlotte Brosnan and I'm so happy to have you with us today. We're here every weekday at 1 p.m. to lead you through some fun and inspiring singing, and we're going to learn a brand new song today. You can join us from wherever you are, on your own or with your family and friends in your houses. So let's get started. We're going to start by playing the game Don't Clap This One Back. I hope you remember it from when we played it before, but I'll just give you a quick recap. When you hear this rhythm, I want you to shout, "Don't clap this one back." Let's have a quick go. Don't clap this one back. But any other rhythm you hear, you do clap back. So let's try a different one. So hopefully you've got the idea of the game. So let's start and let's see how you do. Don't clap this one back. 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 Well done. Give yourselves a bit of a shake. Give your arms a shake. Give your legs a shake. Give everything a bit of a shake. Lovely. And put your shoulders up to your ears and down and up and down and roll them back a few times and forwards a few times. Lovely. Now put your hands on your tummies and copy me. Shh, shh, shh. Lovely. Now we're going to take our magic paintbrush, take it in your hand, and we're going to use some of those sounds we just made. So pick your favourite one. My favourite one is zzz today. It changes every day. Zzz. So this magic paintbrush, when it goes up high, the pitch goes up high. When it goes down low, the pitch goes down low. So I'm going to show you quickly. Zzz. Have a go at playing with your paintbrush. Off you go. Zzz. Lovely. Now you know my name is Charlotte, so I'm going to paint my name. I want you to paint your name as I'm doing mine. Off we go. Wow, I have a long name. Very nice. Just copy me. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Well done. Now, we're going to do a little tongue twister. I did this a couple of weeks ago, so you might remember it. If not, we will recap it. So, this is the tongue twister. Two witches were watching two watches, but which witch was watching which watch? So, I'll break that down. Two witches were watching two watches. Two witches were watching two watches. But which witch was watching which watch? But which witch was watching which watch? Let's have another go at that. Two witches were watching two watches. Two witches were watching two watches. But which witch was watching which watch? But which witch was watching which watch? Wow, my tongue and mouth feels very tired from all of that. Let's see if we can put it all together. I'll do it once. Two witches were watching two watches, but which witch was watching which watch? Have a go. Two witches were watching two watches, but which witch was watching which watch? And again, Two witches were watching two watches, but which witch was watching which watch? Very nice. Now, we're going to just do a quick little fun thing, and I just want you to join in with me. So, bananas of the world, unite. Peel, banana, peel, peel, banana, peel, banana, peel, peel, banana, chop, banana, chop, chop, banana, chop, banana, chop, chop, banana, mash, banana, mash, mash, banana, mash, banana, mash, mash, banana, shake, banana, shake, shake, banana, shake, banana, shake, shake, banana, blend, banana, blend, blend, banana, blend, banana, blend, blend, banana, pour, banana, pour, pour, banana, pour, banana, pour, pour, banana, drink, banana, drink, drink, banana, drink, banana, drink, drink, banana, go, bananas, go, go, bananas, go, bananas, go, go, bananas, bananas of the world, unite. Very good. Wow, I'm tired from doing that. We will have another go at that tomorrow when I'm with you. But let's move on to our song. This is one of my favourite songs. This is called Essequibo River. The Essequibo River is a big river in South America. So I'm going to sing it to you first, and then we will learn it. It goes like this. Essequibo River is the king of rivers, oh, Banatania, we are somebody, oh. Essequibo River is the king of rivers, oh, Banatania, we are somebody, oh. Somebody, oh, Johnny, somebody, oh, Banatania, we are somebody, oh. Somebody, oh, Johnny, somebody, oh, Banatania, we are somebody, oh. So that is our song. It's pretty simple. Now, this type of song is a sea shanty. Have any of you ever heard of a sea shanty? I wonder who you think might sing sea shanties. Well, if you don't know, I'm going to tell you. Sailors on ships used to sing sea shanties because sometimes they were away at sea for many, many weeks or even months. And they used to sing these songs to keep themselves happy, because singing makes us happy, doesn't it? But also to keep them in time with their shipmates whilst they did jobs like hoisting up the sails or throwing water overboard or maybe rowing a boat. So this is a great song that we're all going to learn now. So everyone just sing for me. I'll sing the first bit and you sing it back. So, Essequibo River is the king of rivers, oh, have a go. Essequibo River is the king of rivers, oh. Very good, one more time, and Essequibo River is the king of rivers, oh. Lovely. The next word is a bit of a funny word, but I'm going to say it. It's Banatania. Say that for me. Banatania. So it goes, Banatania, we are somebody, oh. Banatania, we are somebody, oh. Now, that does seem like a nonsense word, doesn't it? But actually, it means turn the boat around. We are somebody, oh, means somebody's fallen overboard. So please turn the boat around because somebody's fallen overboard. So all of that goes like this. Essequibo River is the king of rivers, oh. Banatania, we are somebody, oh. Have a go. Essequibo River is the king of rivers, oh. Banatania, we are somebody, oh. And again. Essequibo River is the king of rivers, oh. Banatania, we are somebody, oh. Lovely. The next bit sounds like this. Somebody, oh, Johnny, somebody, oh. Your turn. Somebody, oh, Johnny, somebody, oh. Banatania, we are somebody, oh. Banatania, we are somebody, oh. Wow, well done. Now we're singing Somebody owe Johnny. Now, I think Johnny is the captain, so we're shouting to him saying, somebody has fallen overboard, Johnny. So let's have a go at that second bit. Somebody owe Johnny. 1, 2, 3, 4. Somebody owe Johnny, somebody owe. Banatania, we are somebody owe. And again, somebody owe Johnny, somebody owe. Banatania, we are somebody owe. Well done, we have learnt the whole of the song. Now let's have a go at putting it all together. So we sing the first bit twice and the second bit twice. So let's have a go, show me you're standing properly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Essequibo River is the king of rivers, oh. Banatania, we are somebody, oh. Essequibo River is the king of rivers, oh. Banatania, we are somebody, oh. Somebody, oh, Johnny, somebody, oh. Banatania, we are somebody, oh. Somebody, oh, Johnny, somebody, oh. Banatania, we are somebody, oh. Well done, everyone. And you can keep singing that. You can also make up your own actions if you'd like. You can also put this in a round. So if you have other family members there with you, you can start, Essequibo River is the king of rivers, oh. Then the next person comes in. Give it a go at home. The final thing we're going to do before we finish, we're just going to do this little rhythm. So we go, join in with me. We're going to sing the song whilst doing these actions. But if you don't want to, you can put the other actions in or make up your own actions. Okay, so let's see how we do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Essequibo River is the king of rivers, oh. Banatania, we are somebody, oh. Essequibo River is the king of rivers, oh. Banatania, we are somebody, oh. Somebody, oh, Johnny, somebody, oh. Banatania, we are somebody, oh. Somebody, oh, Johnny, somebody, oh. Banatania, we are somebody, oh. How did you do? I bet you did absolutely brilliantly. Thank you so much for joining me for the Voices Foundation Singing Assembly today. I can't wait to see you again tomorrow because I'll be back at 1 p.m. Keep practicing all the songs and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.